Luto tayo ng mixed vegetable with meat, pork, and diced tomato with onion, sibuyas, garlic, etc. Onion, okay, we will start to cook a yummy food. We start to heat the frying pan. Okay, open the stove and heat the frying pan. We will put in the oily part of the meat to make an oil to saute the ingredients. Okay, it can produce already the oil. We put the garlic, saute the garlic, and onion, sibuyas. Okay, sibuyas. Mekos. You mix, saute very well. Okay, we will put the main ingredients, the meat, pork meat. Salt, and pepper. We will add this one, diced tomato. Okay. A little bit water for boiling. Okay. We add soy sauce, a little soy sauce. Okay. Do not overcook the meat or pork. The Ramil seasoning. It's already boiling. Add Ramil seasoning. Okay, that's enough. I will add together this one. Mixed vegetable. No salt added. Vegetables. Okay. No need to prepare. Just in can. Okay na to. Cook already. Okay na yan. Tikman natin kung masarap. Tikman natin. We taste. We just taste it. Okay. Okay na yan. Okay, kain na.